woke up. It's currently 7:43. I woke up at 5. I'm pretty sure I'm still like jet lagged. This whole week I've been like in the process of just like trying to get back in routine and like feeling good. So like going to the gym, back like eating not super processed food. And just like trying to get my body clock on a good schedule. So yeah, that's what this video is gonna be. But yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs right now and go make myself some breakfast because I'm really hungry. Good morning. I was literally just waiting for my mom. Guys, I'm literally embarrassed. I said it was 7:43. It's actually 6:45. My TV is on Victorian time and daylight savings just started. So it's actually really early. Okay, so I've like been drinking my tea and procrastinating for a little bit. I want this video to be like productive, so I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym right now. So also I sleep in the ugliest pajamas. Like I feel like everyone on YouTube and just like on Instagram sleep in like really sexy cute pajamas. I'm literally wearing this pajama top that you've probably seen in videos before that I've had since I was like 4, and it's always been huge on me. And it's literally a Carlton Telstra, is it Telstra? A Carlton Telstra top. Don't even go for Carlton anymore. And these pants are just red ones, literally Christmas boy boxers from Best and Less, and that's what I sleep in. Like, how embarrassing. Also, I'm wearing pink fuzzy socks. Like, that's not the vibe. But anyway, my mom's up, so I can kind of talk louder now, but I'm gonna get ready for the gym. But I need to find my gym clothes. I'm gonna wear these pants because they're super just like flattering, and then a sports bra and a top. I'm like not like comfortable at the moment just wearing a sports bra. Okay guys, I just made my bed and I'm going to get my face ready and like brush my hair and stuff for the gym. I got this new brush when I was away. It's a Tangle Teaser, which I love, but this one's like for wet hair. Okay you guys, I just put my hair up. I'm like not tanned or anything, so I do not feel super confident. I really need to get over that, but I'm just gonna put some sunscreen on my face. You should always put sunscreen on your face. I use the ultraviolet sunscreen. I literally hate wearing sunscreen. Like I've always have ever since I was a kid, because one, I just hated the feeling, I hated the smell, I hated being sticky, and I never liked wearing it on my face because it always broke me out. But this sunscreen is literally the best sunscreen in the world. Also, you guys, before I head out, I really want to show you guys some new furniture bits that I picked up. So and it's literally only 3 things, but I bought some like homeware stuff. So first thing, this is from Kmart. This is the right way to hold it, and it's the boucle footstool, I think it is. Or like little stool to like match my boucle chair over there. But I actually got it for my makeup vanity. Oh, she looks amazing. Okay, this is her, so it matches the chair. It's like taller than the chair, so like I feel like it looks weird as a little footstool, but the reason I actually wanted it was as a chair for out here. Okay, there she is. Let's test her out. Okay, wow, this is like perfect height. Okay, she's literally a perfect fit. That is so good. I'm gonna go to the gym. Honestly, I literally, every time I've been going to the gym, I cannot be bothered. I like want to die. And then when I get there, I mean, when I'm doing the workout, I'm like, ugh. But as soon as I'm done, I'm more energized and I literally feel so much better for it. I'm not like pushing myself or anything. Actually, the first day that I got back from my holiday, I like went to the gym. I couldn't be bothered, and like while I was working out, I was so energized. I ended up doing like, oh my god, there's a magpie there, fucker. Sorry, distracted. And I ended up doing like extra workout, like I did ab workout and shit, and I like never do that kind of stuff. But then yesterday I was like dying during it, so I just did like the bare minimum, like just a 1 hour workout, just because I knew I would feel better. And I am like dying as well today. I feel like the jet lag is hitting me. I'm at the gym now. I'm ready to go in, get this workout done. just finished my workout and I'm literally dead. I've forgotten the humidity, like how humid it is in Queensland. Oh my god, I think it's literally only like my third like workout back and I'm just like dying. But like it feels good and it feels, oh my god, I'm literally dying. It's so hot. Oh my god, there's someone coming. This is embarrassing. I need to pretend I'm on the phone. Do I just like hold my hand up so it looks like I'm on the phone? Oh my god. Anyway, I'm dead. I'm gonna go to the supermarket right now. I've already done like a big shop, like literally the day that I got back I did a big shop. I literally just need like one ingredient, but I'm gonna see if they have some other stuff as well. Please. Okay, we're gonna go do a beach walk. I'm with mum. I exfoliated like my tan off and I just feel ugly. Mum looks cute though. Alright, hello you guys. Don't mind me, I'm in kind of a bit of a rush to get to my hair appointment, but I'm going to quickly chuck on some makeup because you know when you like the hair salon and you have your hair back in the basin and with like the foils and you just look like a bit of an egg. Well, every time that happens to me, my self-esteem goes from like a 4 to like a -7 and I just want to die. And I just would rather not hate myself today. So I'm just going to chuck on some foundation or BB cream, whatever you call it. Literally got 5 minutes before I need to leave, so it's literally not going to be much. But yeah, I'm getting my hair done today after Europe. I'm literally so freaking excited. My roots, as you guys can tell, are literally disgusting. Alright guys, I am running a few minutes behind, but that's okay. My makeup, I literally put on it in 2 seconds and you can literally, like, it's not even blended in properly. Like, actually great. Like, I didn't blend my makeup in properly. I just on a tight schedule today, but that's okay. Honestly, I'm just excited to get my hair done. Alright guys, I'm here. I'm just about to walk to my appointment. I've got like 4 minutes to get there, but so that's okay. But oh my god, trying to find a park in Mermaid is literally so hard because there's like there's no parking on the street. And then the parking that is on the street, I did see like literally the most sexiest man I have ever seen getting out of his girlfriend's car. I mean, it could have been his sister if you like made out with your sister. So, but anyway, he was literally stunning. And I'm like, do you have, I don't know. And now I've got like post seeing beautiful man depression disorder. Like I miss him. I saw him for about 20 seconds and I just miss him. Alright you guys, just got my hair done. I'm honestly so happy with it. My roots were really bad, so it's going to take a bit longer to like get to the colour that I was prior. But like they already look so amazing. Right! Let me show you the hair. Why did I just like harmonize? Oh, she looks stunning, stunning. We love her. I'm gonna meal prep my lunch. I've been meal prepping just because the meal that I have been making and eating, like you can only make it in portions of 2, so it's like meal prep unintentionally. Hi.
Hello.
Do you like my hair?
I do. Oh, lovely, honey.
Yeah, it's my chicken, like burrito rice bowl. Okay, so I just realized you need a chicken. Not a chicken, like not a full chicken, like not like an alive, like brock chicken, like a chicken breast. And we freeze ours, and I didn't leave it to defrost. So I'm gonna defrost that. Okay, so I just cook up some chicken with this seasoning. Don't mind my nails. It's literally so yum though, this seasoning. And then I'm about to add some kidney beans. Okay, I just put the chicken on top of some rice, and then I'm gonna add salsa, Greek yogurt, and cheese. Okay, I'm gonna add some salsa. I like a lot of salsa. Some Greek yogurt. and some cheese. Yeah, so the other half is there, so I'll have that later on, but right now I'm going to dig in to my beautiful meal. This doesn't even look that appetizing, but it's so good. Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds. Hello guys, it is Katie. Should I move you while I talk? Update. It's a Friday night and I actually wasn't planning on recording, but I'm like feeling some type of way right now. I don't like know what it is. It's a Friday night. I'm home alone. My mom's gone out. I'm obviously not going out, but I feel like really weird and I feel kind of anxious. Like I don't know why. Like I don't know if it's like I don't know. Like this is what I wanted. Like I didn't want to go out. I never want to go out like ever. This is like my idea of a perfect Friday night. But I think it's like because like I'm back now and like it feels weird. Like I don't know, like is this the post-holiday depression people talk about? Because like I was really excited to come home and get back into routine, but is this the depression? Is that setting in? Is that a thing? This is really weird. I don't know why. I think maybe I'm just tired and I don't know why I'm stressed. Also, I'm seeing a friend tomorrow. I think that's why I'm feeling a bit weird, because I feel like I'm up in the Gold Coast and I'm like, I need friends. And I do have really good friends up here. Like I do. I met some really good friends with work, and like I'm only new here. Like I literally moved here in Jan and I was away for 4 of the months, so like it's fine that I only have a few friends. Going out for breakfast or brunch tomorrow with Matilda and I'm literally so excited to see her. And like I'm gonna see all my friends again when I go back to work, because like the girls I work with are the best. So I don't know why I'm feeling this way. I think I just needed to rant. So I've literally ranted for 4 minutes and that's what this whole video is gonna take up now. Good on you, Katie. Good on you. Hi guys, good morning. Yo, I do not look good. Good morning, everyone. I'm on my way to breakfast now. Oh, brunch. It's for 11:30 with Matilda. I'm so excited. I haven't seen her since I left and I literally love her. She's literally a bundle of joy. So I want to stop by the supermarket quickly though, because I want to get her some flowers to say congratulations, because she's going away. I don't even know, like I think she's going away and working on like boats and stuff, and then we're gonna meet at Bam Bam, and I'm so excited because I actually have really good acai there, and I haven't had an Australian acai yet, so